Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to learn how to encrypt a note in Evernote tutorial. So let's start. So first click on the Evernote app. Now in this app you can see this is the basic user interface in which various options are available. Now you just need to scroll here down and click on one of your notes. Now after clicking on one of your notes, okay, now select the text which you want to encrypt. Okay, I want to encrypt this paragraph. Now here you can see options like cut, copy, paste, replace, format, translate, share, and I want you to click on this plus option also. So here you can see if there is any option available of encrypt. Let's see what is code block. Okay, what happens now is that actually the Evernote used to have an encryption option before an update, but after an update encryption option has been removed from the Evernote app. So right now you cannot encrypt a note in the Evernote app. Sorry to say, but I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.